Hi traders, today is the 30th of September 2019. We are now live today trading crude oil market, WTI NYMEX, CLX 2019, so November contract 2019. So in this video, I will show you how I do my day trading strategy based on my setup. Should be a quick one for US session, and also there's a London session. So feel free to go into the link in the description below to find a live signal channel. Okay, at this moment we already 36 minutes after US session begin. Time now is 9:36 a.m. in the morning New York time. We still haven't received any signal for London session. It's such a waste because I'm expecting to find a bearish during London session, but unfortunately there's none for my entry. And for US session, looks like we missed the first signal, which is a short sell at around 55.13, which is somewhere here. So should take profit exactly at this point of level, but since we have missed it a few seconds, because US session always a quick one, so have to wait for another round of signal, if any. Normally should have multiple entry. If not now, it should be at the noon time New York time. So let's further wait to find a good entry. Very strong candle of reversal. So maybe we can queue to short sell. Maybe at a 55.12. Maybe let's wait another few more minutes. Okay guys, we just queue at a 55.12 to short sell the market from the my live trading signal. I did mention as well just now, a few moments ago, to short sell at 55.12. Target is 54.90. So the direction still in the bearish movement, but it's most likely that the market go further down. So let's take a look. Let's take a look on the hourly time frame. I'm expecting for to short sell at this area, and for the target here, 54.50 should be a good target as well. Let's wait for the long run. Alright traders, the order been filled. It looks clearly that the market hopefully try to make a U-turn to the downside. So our stop loss will remain at a typical 20 ticks or 23 ticks. Hopefully it go further down. It's not a minor pullback. Hopefully, if further down, then there's a high tendency. My TP is 54.90, but I can go further down to 54.50. But it's not recommended because this is US session. Maybe because of the volume might change the direction pretty much quickly compared to London session. We can take much more longer time in the market without worrying the direction of the overall market situation. So this moment we are on the short sell positions with one lot entry. So let's take a look on the volume if we can find quite a good volume on both sides. So on the downside, there's no spike in the volume. It's quite moderate. have to prepare as well for the stop loss in case market didn't go to my direction. Alright traders, and there's another signal been triggered. We still go short on the market. Entry at 55.10, and the market did make a lower at 55.03, so now price reverse back again. Seems pretty hard today. Market did more on the sideways movement, so it's not really a good market. So you can see from London session, it looks very strong bullish, but then in US session didn't put much. For now the price keep dropping. I'm expecting for another drop below. So let's wait. Last moment still minus 7 ticks. Alright traders, we did receive another short sell position entry based on my setup, although it's a bit too late. Time now is 11:36 AM New York time. So the next short sell signal is somewhere here. So the penetration on the lowest low will clear up the bottom side of the price movement. At this moment we still haven't seen high volume on the lower side, so let's wait. We're still waiting. This order not yet filled, so this is my order. So from my live signal broadcast, I just send out the signal. Short sell at 55.03 and entry TP at 54.90. So it's almost the same identical signal compared to the first signal that appeared. So there's a high volume detected at 54.80. So let's take a look. About 117. So I will exit my position at 54.81. We almost entered the market. Let's very patient. So on the higher side, let's take a look on a 1 hour chart. We're still searching for a bearish movement, but have to be more cautious. If the price try to reverse back, then I have to exit at loss again. But at this moment, we are on the positive side, about plus 40 ticks. So let's change to the candle. No, nice. So we even back. So I need to be careful in 20 minutes. Our chart will perform another candle. Still not yet triggered. This is my short sell, stop limit order. Hope to capture it alive while the market move towards our positive direction. Still not yet fill. 55.03. I'm waiting. Hopefully the price remain for sideways then further down. So this entry is based on my live broadcast signal. So there's a link in the description below. Feel free to click on it. There's a free trial. You can test and feel it to my strategy, whether it's suitable for your trading style or not. I'm expecting a minor pullback at this moment. So any moment I'm expecting for the market to trigger, fill my order and burst further down. So this is my short sell signal, 55.03. Still waiting. No, another 3 more ticks. Hope to catch a real life, because this is a live day trading crude oil market. I'm especially I'm not sure why the market flat at this moment. Normally it will go further down. So I'm expecting to TP somewhere here. The first one is 54.90. I should increase it. 54.88. The second one is 54.81. So there's a large volume waiting at 54.80, which is this spike. Okay, any moment soon. 2 more ticks. So this is my short sell stop limit order, 55.03. The same like the live signal I broadcast from my day trading channel. So the price still remain on the sideways movement at this moment. We are about 12 more minutes entering a noontime US session. It seems kind of hard for the market to go further down. Okay, minor pullback. I'm not sure how far it will go, but still, this is the nearest low we have. Will be another breakout, could be. So the nearest low is same as like our short sell stop limit order at 55.03. So let's wait patiently. Alright, market still move in the sideways movement. I'm still expecting on the short sell position, which is not yet triggered at 55.03. And the way I look into the market, that might go for another direction or penetration of this lower low to the downside. Hopefully I can capture it live with you guys trading crude oil market. So it's start to move quite fast at this moment. So let's take a look on the volume. Still there is a high volume waiting at 54.80. Let's wait for it to appear. My DOM is limit into 81. It looks like it. Okay, quite a strong one. Okay, this is the high volume, 55.80. With this entry, which is not yet trigger, might go for this direction on the faster movement. So it's a bit late today normally because I finish my trading by 11 normally, but today we extended to 12:40 noon time, New York time. Okay, looks good. Okay, we're in the market. It's move very fast. So I need to be clear on the stop loss. 55.35. So the profit will be at 54.88 and 54.81. So just now you can see a few seconds the market did spike further down. So let's take a look on okay. Should this one looks nicer. This one I'm 2 ticks, 4 ticks. Hopefully the market will not reverse. If reverse back, then purely sideways movement, and I have to admit for the losses. So I have to be careful. Still, there's a large volume waiting at 54.92, 54.80. So it's quite high, which is around 134, queuing at this price level. So I will exit my position at 54.81. Market stop to move. I hope it not reverse back. If reverse back, then will be the losses. I still have more time, about 12 minutes to 1 p.m. New York time. Alright guys, one position already hit TP about 200. So this is current panel. So one more positions still waiting to be exit at 54 I see. So I have to wait a few more minutes. Still expecting for the market to go for another bearish movement. So it's not far. The lowest just now is 50.45. My Q is 50.41. There's also another large volume waiting at 54.75 around 146. So let's see where the price will be. Alright, here we go. Still waiting for it to reach 54.80. It's quite a good position to left the market. So that's good. So total profit now is 320, 340 US dollar after balance back the losses we made earlier. So 350. Okay, the candle looks quite strong for the bearish movement. You can see very high here at 54.75, 54.80. This is the first target. Okay, this is what we want. A very strong bearish candle. 370 US dollar in profit. This is my PNL. 360, 370. Keep on going. This will be a fast one. if the price try to reverse back, better exit here as a trading stop. But still, we have a winning side. Now profit is 370, 360. So I remove my stop loss, become trailing stop at 55.00. Okay, we're seeing a new candle. Time now is 1:20 p.m. So let's take a look on my live broadcast. The TP is far more earlier, 54.90. My TP is much more conservative. It was a good day. We didn't receive any London say, oh, you saw it in a few seconds. How much it jumped? The lowest is 54, 63, I guess. So in a few seconds, it jumped. Okay, luckily I managed to capture it live, so it's a good video. So total profit for today is 440 US dollar. So it was a good start for this week. Hopefully we get more London session signal for the next few days. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and feel free to click the link below in the description. There's a link to my live broadcast channel. By the way, thank you for watching. Bye bye.